Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best cutting board bamboo juice groove set currently available, the SMIRLY wooden cutting boards for kitchen meal prep and serving. Whether you're a home cook or an entertainer, this set is designed to bring both beauty and utility into your kitchen space. Right out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is the natural bamboo finish, smooth, warm, and sleek. The set includes 3 rectangular boards of different sizes, 17 by 12 inches, 15 by 11 inches, and 13 by 10 inches. Each board is a practical thickness of 0.8 inches, making them sturdy yet lightweight enough for everyday handling. These boards are made from 100% organic bamboo, an eco-conscious choice that's not only renewable but also naturally resistant to moisture, odors, and stains. What's impressive is how resilient the surface is. Bamboo is a hard wood that resists nicks and gouges. But at the same time, it's gentle on your knives, so you won't have to worry about dulling your blades. One standout feature is the deep juice grooves carved around the edges. These grooves catch everything from tomato juice to meat drippings, keeping your countertop clean and reducing food prep mess. It's a simple detail that makes a big difference, especially if you're prepping juicy fruits or carving meats. Each board includes built-in ergonomic handles that make carrying, flipping, and placing the boards much easier. The handles are smoothly hand-sanded and integrated seamlessly into the design, keeping the overall look clean and modern. Now let's talk about the holder. The SMIRLY set comes with a custom-designed bamboo stand that keeps all 3 boards upright and organized. This not only saves space but also allows for better airflow between uses, which is great for drying and hygiene. It looks amazing on your countertop too, like a mini vertical shelving system for your chopping boards. Maintenance is as straightforward as it gets. Since the boards are not microwave safe, all you need to do is hand wash and oil them regularly. A bit of mineral oil now and then will keep the bamboo nourished and looking beautiful for years to come. And because it comes in gift-ready packaging, this cutting board set makes a thoughtful gift for weddings, housewarmings, or even holiday presents. It's perfect for those just starting out in a new kitchen, or seasoned cooks who appreciate stylish, functional gear. To sum it up, the SMIRLY bamboo cutting board set with holder is more than just a trio of wooden slabs. It's an elegant, knife-friendly, eco-conscious solution for your daily meal prep. A tool that's been thoughtfully designed to make your kitchen routine smoother and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. For more deep dives into smart kitchen gadgets that make life easier. See you in the next video.